What's up, Tim Connect with Perkins Roofing, and right now, quick video. I'm just going to explain the difference between an estimate and an inspection report, because this is one of the questions I get a lot, is what is the difference? So an estimate is when we actually come out to look at something. Generally, if you want an estimate, you have an issue that you kind of already know about, and you're like, hey Tim, I have a leak. Hey Tim, I'm looking to get a new roof. Can you give me an estimate to repair the damage, to replace my roof, to install new gutters, to change my impact windows, whatever it may be, to paint my house? These are things that people will call me to ask for an estimate for. Estimates from Perkins Roofing are free. So that's free of charge. We're just going to send you the cost and a breakdown to do whatever you need to do with specifications of what we're doing. Now, an inspection report is if you're like, hey, I'm buying this house, and can you check everything out and make sure it's all good? Then we're not going to be doing an estimate. I'm coming on my time to look at something that may have no damage, so I have no chance of making money at. So you're going to be I'm going to be providing you a report of what I find. So I'm going to take pictures of the inside of the attic. I'm going to take pictures of the outside of the house. I'm going to take drone photos. I'm going to take all these photos and stuff and provide this information to you in the inspection report, including how much roof life might be on the roof, and if I find any damages, what they are. And then I will provide an estimate to you if there are damages. Generally, if you follow through on the estimate and hire me to do the repairs, I will discount back the inspection report for you. And the same thing with the new roof. If you're buying a house and I come out and I'm like, this roof is shot, it needs to be replaced, and you're like, okay, I'm going to buy the house anyway, then the price of the inspection report will be discounted off of your re-roof. So inspection reports for residential purposes, we charge $350 for a residential home. For an inspection report, I recommend anyone gets one if you're buying a house. I recommend that if you haven't had your roof checked in a number of years, you do that. Or if you need it for insurance purposes, I can help prolong your insurance. If insurance is denying you, saying, hey, I'm not going to provide you insurance because this roof is too old, and you're like, I have no leaks, that's crazy, then have me come out, I'll do an inspection report, write the report, and then the insurance will extend your coverage upon receiving the inspection report. So that's an inspection report versus an estimate, which is a price to actually fix an issue or to replace the roof. I hope that makes sense. If you have questions about the difference between inspection report and estimate, please reach out. Commercial inspection reports are generally a little bit more money depending on the size of the project. They usually start around $600, but if it's like 10 buildings, then it could be more than that, because it's all about how much time it's going to take to evaluate the situation. So that is inspection report versus estimate. Thanks for watching. Hopefully this was helpful. Give us a call if you need an estimate or an inspection report at 305 MIA Roof for Miami-Dade, Broward, and the Keys. For Palm Beach County, Martin County, St. Lucie County, or the rest of Florida, give me a call at 561-559-ROOF. And if you're interested in franchising, franchise@perkinsroofing.net is the email. Remember, we do more than roofing. We also do anything exterior: house painting, impact windows, concrete restoration, siding, hardy board. We do all that stuff. So thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.